Good morning in this lovely Sunday. As I was driving to my destination, which I'm gonna keep in secret for now, I'm gonna leave you to see it later on. I was driving nearby Swallow Falls next to Betsy Coit, so I decided to stop and have a look how does it looks like, because I have been here once before, but I stopped my car in Betsy Coit in the village nearby, but I was not able to reach the waterfalls because we were with a little child. He get tired, so we couldn't see them, and now it's the best opportunity and the best moment to see it. So hello there! I arrived to River Afon Ladder and I'm gonna walk the Fisherman path. Sounds interesting, isn't it? The Fisherman's path. I saw this path and this trail 2 days ago, and I decided to come and investigate to see how does it looks like. It looks a little bit extreme. Let's see. Stay with me and I hope you enjoy the video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold, really. Oh, it's cold. Here I am through the deep forest again. I had amazing walk and lovely memories. I met amazing people. I had waff with them. We had a great time. I had a swim. The water was very cold. As colder is it, more healthier is it. If I can say it this way. But you understand me what I mean. So this was the end of my walk today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and should I tell you again? I don't think so. If you like it, like, subscribe, share it, type a comment below. You know that is gonna be big support for me, and I really appreciate for this. It's time to go, so I'll see you soon.